Think, Memphis, you ready to give this a try? Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we are doing a review of this foldable dog ramp, which apparently Kira also wants to give a try. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So the first thing that I want to point out about this that I absolutely love is it folds flat. Kira, you gotta get off of it so I can show them. Can I show them? You gotta step off the ramp so I can show them the ramp, and then you can step back on the ramp. Deal? Deal. So you can see here it has a handle on the side. Everything underneath it, including this piece, kind of can sit underneath this. So if you want to shove it underneath your couch or a bed when it's not in use, it's really easy to store. It's also really lightweight. It's far lighter than I thought it was going to be, and it's adjustable. You can see there, you can adjust the height. I'm going to set it up to the couch here and see if the dogs will use it. So you can see here, this is the piece that's not attached to anything. That goes here to give it a little more stability left and right as they're walking on it, so it's not going to shake too much. And then underneath here, this is where you can adjust at different heights. You can move that up or down. So depending on the height of your couch or your bed, you can make it different heights. Eleanor's like, I'll show you how it's done, guys. I'll show you how it's done. Go ahead, Elle. Walk up. Or play. The ramp is not for playing on. We're trying to do a demonstration here. Hold on, let me get the other dog. All right, it's for you. Come on. Show everybody that you can do it. Now throw your treat up there. Look at that, you did it. Now you're on the couch. Now, can I get you to use it to go back down instead of jumping? Because that's the important part, is the jumping. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Yes. And I'm just using some treats to kind of encourage them to go up and down. My dogs also know the walk up command. So, well, Memphis can't really hear anymore, so she can't actually hear me say that. But these two do know that word. All right, you want to try again? Come over here. And ready? Walk up. Good job. See, now you can be on the couch if you want. I do like that this ramp kind of has little steps on it. Walk down. Good girl. So she's not really slipping going up and down. You can see it's like this part is raised and this is carpet, so it gives them a lot of extra grip as they go up and down. That's really nice. Want to show them that you can do it as well? Huh? You want to show them? Say, it's not just for old dogs. It's for saving young dogs too. Ready? Walk up. Good job. Walk down. Walk down. Good job. One more time. Walk up. Good girl. Walk down. Yeah, good job. This is definitely going to come in handy around this house. If you guys are looking for a really nice ramp, lightweight, folds down, super easy to use, we recommend this.